Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious no-fry donuts. First, gather your ingredients. You'll combine dry ingredients like 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, gently combine these mixtures until a soft dough forms. Next, it's time to shape your donuts. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or a large round cutter and a smaller one for the center hole to create your donut shapes. Carefully transfer these to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch of space between each one. Now, let's bake them. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your baking sheet with the shaped donuts into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are lightly golden brown and feel springy to the touch. Once baked, transfer the donuts to a wire rack to cool completely before glazing. Finally, for the best part, glazing, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk to create a smooth glaze. Dip each completely cooled donut into the glaze, allowing any excess to drip off. You can add sprinkles or other toppings while the glaze is still wet. Enjoy your delightful, homemade, no-fry donuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.